Once logged into the SOP Driver app, the app will detect which plant you are at. You will see this populated at the top of the screen. Only if you are physically at the plant will you be able to check in. If you are not within geographical range, you will not be allowed to check in. Once it's your turn, pull forward and physically receive the materials into your dump truck. Once fully loaded, pull forward to the paper ticket receiving area. While still in the truck, refresh the SOP screen. Refreshing the screen will allow you to see the recent loads that have been completed. You will then need to choose the correct load for this trip. The correct load, you'll then get populated with an ETA, delivery, map, and routes. Your e-tickets and your actual time card are also available within the SOP app. If for some reason you chose the wrong load, go ahead and cancel the load and go back in and choose the correct load. If you need to edit your ticket by adding a note or photo, you can do so as well. Enabling the app is meant to help the driver by eliminating paper tickets, assist in routing, give field personnel better information, and allow for all-around efficiency.